Good afternoon and warm wishes to all the dignitaries, invited guests, speakers, and delegates across India. I welcome you all for the valedictory function of 1 week AICTE Training and Learning Academy, New Delhi, sponsored 1 week EFDP on Design Thinking Principle in Pharma Product Development, a fresh look towards innovation, organized by Anand Pharmacy College, Anand, which started on 23rd of November 2020. In this era of artificial intelligence, where maximum work is done by machine, Dieter Rams, a German industrial designer, says design is a thinking process that starts in the head and with sketches. Thinking cannot be done by a computer. So only future will say who wins the race, human mind or computer. Throughout the week, we witnessed many learned personalities from different backgrounds who shared their thoughts and ideas about innovation in pharma. Right from unleashing the potential, innovative packaging system, CAD, formulation development, 3D printing, IPR, ideas, conceptualization, drug repurposing, patient-friendly dosage form, and concluding today with art of meditation. It's now time to conclude the event. Beginning with the program, I welcome all the guests for the valedictory function. Chief guest of today's function, Sri Kamlesh Patel, President of Sri Ramchandra Mission, founder of Heartfulness Institute. Guest of honor, Dr. Praveen Chaudhary, President of APTI, and Dr. Unnat Pandit, Dean, Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Management and Entrepreneurship, JNU, Delhi. Srimati Jyotsnaben Patel, Honorary Secretary of SRKSM and President of Valedictory Function. Dr. Tejal Gandhi, EFDP Convener and Principal, Anand Pharmacy College. Dr. Hardik Rana, Coordinator and Associate Professor, Anand Pharmacy College. I welcome all the eminent speakers for various sessions till date and delegates from all over India. We shall begin the program with a prayer, and for this I request Ayushi Bhatt from semester 5B Farm to recite the prayer and make the occasion divine.
Hello. या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करा प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजायापः.
Thank you, Ayushi. Dr. Tejal R. Gandhi, Professor and Principal of Anand Pharmacy College, is associated with the college right from its inception way back in 1998. He is an academician with over 28 years of extensive experience in the areas of pharmaceutical research. He is Fellow of International Academy of Cardiovascular Science and has worked on more than 35 industry as well as government-sponsored research projects. He has undertaken 15 consultancy projects. Dr. Gandhi has received 33 research awards and recognition till date. He recently was felicitated by Tech Guru Award 2020 by Gujarat Technological University, Ahmedabad. He is also proud recipient of Visvesvaraya Best Teacher Award 2020 given by AICTE New Delhi. He has been serving as CPC SEA nominee for various industry and research institutions since last 13 years. Madam is NAC trained assessor. 8 patents are published under her name, and she is also a scientific advisor with Indian Patent Office. She has been a member of various committees and statutory bodies in various capacities. I request ma'am to please welcome the guest and the audience.
Thank you, Sarika, for kind introduction. Good afternoon and warm wishes to all dignitaries present on digital platform. Chief guest of today's function, Sri Kamlesh Patel, President of Sri Ramchandra Mission, founder of Heartfulness Institute. Guest of honor, Dr. Praveen Chaudhary, President, APTI, and Dr. Unnat Pandit, Dean Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Management and Entrepreneurship, JNU, Delhi. Srimati Jyotsnaben Patel, Honorary Secretary, Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal and President of the Valedictory Function. Dr. Hardik Rana, Coordinator and Associate Professor of Anand Pharmacy College. Eminent speakers for today's and all previous days sessions and delegates from all over India, as well as my teaching, non-teaching staff members and my dear students. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to welcome you all today for this valedictory function of 1 week AICT Training and Learning Academy Atal New Delhi sponsored 1 week EFTP program on design thinking principle in pharma product development, a fresh look towards innovation, organized by Anand Pharmacy College, Anand. I heartily welcome and thank all the special guests for sparing time out of their busy schedule for us and gracing this function. I thank Shri Kamlesh Bhai Patel, popularly known as Daji, for being the resource person as well as chief guest of today's valedictory function. The talk on art of meditation will be very useful amidst this crisis of pandemic since many people are nowadays suffering from neuropsychiatric disorder due to various reasons. And meditation can be rescue treatment to face this situation and for the well-being of mind, body and soul. Thank you, sir, for taking us through this new journey and thank you us for uplifting us spiritually and mentally. I thank Dr. Praveen Chaudhary, who is associated with APTI. He is the president of Association of Pharmacy Teachers of India. He is currently the principal at Anand at Modern College of Pharmacy, Pune. This APTI, Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, an association founded by the pioneers of pharmacy education in way back 1966 by leading personalities like Dr. M.L. Shroff, Professor G.B. Srivastava, and so many others legend personalities. It has APTI has come a long way in creating better intercommunication and promotion of excellence in pharmacy education. Since then, the association APTI has provided a single platform in bringing together teachers of pharmacy education from all over the country. Sir has contributed to the achievement of excellent standards and to develop new technological methods in pharmacy education through the exchange of views amongst the teaching members. Sir, apart from this APTI president and working for this pharmacy profession, pharmacy teacher, he is a teacher, educator, and also contributing to science as a researcher in innovation and design. We welcome you, sir, at this uh, valedictory function. I also welcome Dr. Unnat Pandit, Dean of College of Management and Entrepreneurship, JNU Delhi. I thank him for sharing his profound knowledge with the delegates in today's session on how design thinking in pharma product development can pave the path for New India. And he had beautifully given so many examples that really was inspiring and really eye-opening that for a researcher, how they can start there or think that for this new research ideas. So, and he had emphasized on one beautiful gap that being a researcher, the connect between this actually customers or patients and industry people, that is a real need as a researcher. This in isolation, we had worked for a centuries. Now there is a real need. Each and every scientist has to connect first before they are starting, not students but faculty members, researchers. They have to go for this first step, the identifying the need of society or healthcare need. So sir had during this time of COVID-19, India illustrated itself as a self-reliant country in faces the crisis. He had mentioned about this Daman and various other innovations also. And you can see that the IIT people are going for innovation in this healthcare, and pharma people have to take motivation, inspiration from that. We are not only tackling the situation within the country, but is also we are extending our help to other nations across the globe related with this healthcare during this pandemic situation. India has emerged as one of the innovator country and is almost successful in coming up with our own vaccine for corona also. We hope with the help of so many researchers, design experts in our country whom we all witness in this 1 week EFDP and all the delegates who were ignite for design thinking, innovation, entrepreneurship will definitely bring solution to all the problems and bring laurels to our country. I also welcome all the delegates for the valedictory function. Online learning is easily adaptable and one of the most cost-effective way to educate world's rapidly expanding workflows. I thank all the eminent speakers for their wonderful and informative deliberations, and I also thank all the enthusiastic delegates for their active participation in all the sessions. I hope you all had a great time learning and updating knowledge through online platform, and we fulfilled your expectation. We need your genuine feedback so we can improve in future also, and we can really serve better to our community also. Due to pandemic, when everybody is contributing to the safety of nation, but this didn't prevent the teachers from teaching and learning by adopting different way of connecting. Hope this activity will produce an army of good researchers, innovators, design thinkers, contributors, and Sir has mentioned that academic entrepreneurs also. I must not forget to mention about the ever-inspiring personality, Srimati Jyotsaben Patel, Honorary Secretary of Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal. Ma'am has always taken keen interest in each and every venture of Anand Pharmacy College, and I can proudly say because of support of Madam and President of Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal, Sri Hemant Bhai Patel, and all trustees, we Anand Pharmacy College has achieved, or we can say that it is NEC A grade accredited since last 10 years, NBA accredited since last 7 years. So it is only because of not only financial, but always they have supported when we are going with some new ideas. They are always facilitating, like, and they are doing, or we can say, act as a mentor also. I really thankful to SRKSM and especially Jutsa Madam and President Sir for their always this kind support. Jyotsna Madam is always keen to adapt to new technologies and motivate us too. It is our vision and leadership that has brought everything possible. I welcome ma'am you for this validatory function. I congratulate Dr. Hardik Rana and APC non-teaching and teaching staff, those who have really done good, and we can see from this feedback of this in chat box from various participants also uh, for this smooth and successful execution. I really wanted to congratulate Dr. Hardik and his team. And at the end, very one good saying, imagination can take you anywhere, but design will take you to somewhere great. Great design is always advantageous and adventurous also. With this, I welcome you all again for today's this valedictory function. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. We are fortunate to have amongst us Dr. Praveen Chaudhary, President of Association of Pharmacy Teachers of India, Principal and Professor in Pharmaceutics at Modern College of Pharmacy, Pune. With 25 years of experience, 2 patents, 4 patents in application, PG and PhD guide to several students, with 40 publications and 6 books to his credit. Sir has received research grant of rupees 34 lakhs and has been honored with several awards like Best Principal Award, twice IDMA Award for his research, Pharmacy Teacher of the Year Award from IPC Trust, and many more. Sir has various professional affiliations in different capacity with Pune University and has been a resource person to 8 institutes for NBA and NAC accreditation. We welcome you, sir, and request you to share the remarks on today's occasion.
Okay. Chief guest of today's function, Sri Kamlesh Bhai Patel, President of Sri Ramchandra Mission, Honorable Secretary Srimati Jyotsaben Patel, Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal Anand, our esteemed colleague, other guest, Dr. Unnat Pandit, Dean, Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Management and Entrepreneurs, JNU Delhi, my esteemed colleague, Dr. Tejal Gandhi, Principal of Anand Pharmacy College, Dr. Hardik Rana, the coordinator of this EFDP, and my fellow colleague, teacher fraternity, and dear teachers who are participating in this FDP. Very good afternoon to one and all. It gives me great pleasure to be a part of this valedictory function of e-faculty development program organized by Anand Pharmacy College, Anand. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Dr. Tejal Gandhi ma'am and her team of very dedicated faculty members for taking this initiative and organizing this wonderful event of AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored e-faculty development program on design thinking principle in pharma product development, a fresh look towards innovation. I also appreciate and congratulate Dr. Tejal Gandhi ma'am for selecting such an appropriate and apt theme for this FDP, which is really a need of hour. I have witnessed the growth of this institution. I'm very proud to say that it is one of the premier and best institute imparting the quality pharmacy education under the banner, under the umbrella of GTU and in state of Gujarat, and under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Tejal Gandhi. The institute has carved a special niche in imparting quality pharmacy education in our country. The college is taking consistent and concerted efforts for holistic development of students and faculty. The institute is continuously organizing seminar, conferences, webinars, and FDPs to provide an ideal forum to bring together pharmacy teachers, researchers, entrepreneurs, industry experts, and the scholars of multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary sectors to discuss, deliberate, and interact and share their views on the topic of current interest. Friends, I was pleased to know that this is the first self-finance college across the Gujarat state with the dual accreditation, that is NAC and NBA. Few more achievement I would like to share that under the able leadership of Dr. Gandhi, this institute has garnered almost 60 lakhs through student startup and innovation policy by government of Gujarat. And as far as research is concerned, the faculty and the students have established a benchmark by successfully bagging the prestigious Gandhian Young Technological Innovation Award twice and excellent research project at PG and PhD levels around us. But despite of receiving a various prestigious award, these products have not been commercialized. The major reason is lack of implementation of design thinking in these projects. So for you all might have understood that design thinking is a process by which we try to understand the user or a consumer, the various challenges or challenge certain assumptions, and also define our problems. This novel approach needs to be embedded into our projects in order to have a better solution to the research problems. Design thinking help us in the process of questioning the problem, questioning the assumptions, and questioning the consequences. Design thinking tackles complex problem by either understanding the human needs involved, reframing or defining the problems in the human-centric way, creating many ideas, adapting a hands-on approach in prototyping, and developing a prototype solution to the problem. Our pharma industry have patient-centricity problem. Our major part of the problem is that the pharma sector doesn't consider the patient to be a consumer or customer. I mean, we never try to attract the patient with our products. Have a look at the cosmetic industry or automobile industry. The products are designed by considering the user's comfort or choice or a demand in mind. So approximately 18% of the patient drops out of a clinical trial before it ends. And nevertheless, the design thinking can help the pharma sectors turn this trend around. According to the researcher, the demand for the patient-friendly research has been growing louder every year. The successful innovations with the implementation of design thinking are growing day by day. To name a few, Mayo Clinic, which is an Android app, it's a patient app. Fantasy Pharmacy, that is a kid-friendly medicine. PillPack, online subscription services. Andamio 3D braces for children with disabilities, and many more examples I can give. After going through the schedule of this FDP, the selection of resource person and the topic that they have delivered, I'm confident that the participant of this FDP will carve a special niche in the arena of product development in coming future. On this platform, I would like to thank all the resource person of this FDP for their expertise and knowledge that they have shared with all the participants throughout this FDP. Last but not the least, I congratulate all the participants for successful completion of this FDP. I would like to congratulate once again the host organization for taking this initiative and nicely organize this program. I personally and on my behalf of EPTI wish many more success for the future of this institute. Thank you so much. Keep learning and stay blessed. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing your views and being with us for the program. Moving ahead with the program, I would like to call today's another guest.
Sarika madam. Please call Kamlesh Patel, sir, because he's waiting. So.
Okay, no problem. We are immensely honored to have with us Shri Kamlesh Patel, President of Shri Ramchandra Mission, founder of Heartfulness Institute. Known to us as Daji, he is pharma entrepreneur as well as a spiritual and motivational speaker. This morning, sir spoke on art of meditation and amalgamation of ancient tradition and scientific advancements. With warm welcome, I request sir to please enlighten us with your profound knowledge and experience.
Great being with you again. It was a wonderful session in the morning on meditation and how your institute is able to incorporate this for faculty and student overall well-being and development. As I was also emphasizing the need for consistency if you want to be successful. Consistency in whatever we do. I have practiced in the United States from 1981 onward, almost 30 years, and still pharmacy business is continuing under the umbrella. Fortunately, I'm also endowed with this greater responsibility, much greater in the spiritual realm, and because of that, I'm with you here. It only shows that spirituality does not interfere with your material life. And I wish and I'd like to inspire you all that please don't ignore this fundamental and most vital wing of our existence. Spiritual and material, they have to be integrated. They have to go together. Allowing heart, like a bird that flies with two wings. Allow the heart also to perform a role of a tail in giving us the direction in life. Well, I was asked that how our Indian system, especially the pharmacy system, differs from the West. I have studied both while at LMCP and also certifying myself to practice as pharmacist in New York as well as in state of California. Though the education system here is westernized, the practical aspect, there is hardly any Western application in our day-to-day practices as a pharmacist. Industries also, as Dr. Chaudhary was mentioning, that the products are made without considering the patient's comfort. Patients are relegated somehow, and most people actually, the bottom line matters, and that's a very sad thing. Same thing in the pharmacy, retail pharmacy. Everybody is wondering about and careful about the bottom line, the profit. The biggest problem fundamentally starting, whenever a doctor orders a prescription, there is no standardization of a prescription. That's number one problem. Second thing, they scribble with their hands. It should be mandatory now to make it computerized. Because a lot of errors do happen. These code words, code letters, they go on between pharmacies and the doctors. A lot of corruption also happens. Doctors would write code words which no other pharmacy but a selected pharmacy would know, which is a tragic thing as far as India is concerned. Third thing, once the prescription is being filled, it's gone to a pharmacy, and patient is able to retain back the prescription. He can fill it as many times he wants to. If he is taking sleeping pill, he'll continue all his life. If he's taking antibiotic, whenever similar symptoms appear, he will go back to the pharmacy without consulting a doctor. And many a times they go away without even showing a prescription. They will say, oh, I need some amoxicillin or I want some azithromycin, and a pharmacy would oblige it happily. They don't even care whether it is this scheduled drug or that scheduled drug or what's going to happen to widespread antibiotic resistance. So many fundamental things.
पंडित सर ने खाली सॉरी कह देજો कारण કે છે ને કમલેશ સર નું એક સેશન છે આના પછી એટલે ઓકે થેન્ક યુ સર.
So I think this is the main problem as far as I have seen so far. There's a world of a difference. The pharmacy profession, especially in the United States and Canada, is considered to be #1 profession, surpassing even doctors or a policeman or a lawyer. For last, God knows, maybe 70 years or so, consistently, pharmacist has been a #1 profession there. Unfortunately, here we are recognized as compounders. There's a very derogatory term to use to our pharmacists, though they know a lot of things, fundamental things. They are heavily involved, especially in India, with research. Nowadays, the pharmacists are very well versed with, cutting edge technology, cutting edge knowledge, new development. Yet, fundamentally, as I was saying, this pharmacy to patient relationship needs a lot of attention, lots and lots of attention. So thank you for inviting me. If you have any questions pertaining to pharmacy practice or what we discuss, spirituality, I'll be happy to answer. And once again, thank you, especially Dr. Gandhi and the chairman of this institute, Mr. Hemant Patel, and his secretary, Jyotsna Ben Patel, and with lots of respect and affection towards all my colleagues. Thank you for listening to me. And whenever you have any questions regarding spirituality or Western world of pharmacy practice, you can always address me at kamlesh@heartfulness.org.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your inspiring speech targeting current problems of patients and medical practitioners, which really needs to be addressed in the interest of pharmacy profession. Thank you once again. And I regret to Dr. Unnat Pandit for changing the sequence due to prior commitment of Sri Kamlesh Bhai Patel. Moving ahead with the program, I would like to call today's another guest of honor, Dr. Unnat Pandit, Dean of Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Management and Entrepreneurship, New Delhi, to share his views. Sir has also been the resource person for today's technical session. Over to you, sir.
आदरणीय डॉक्टर प्रवीण चौधरी जी, प्रेसिडेंट एसोसिएशन ऑफ फार्मेसी टीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया, आदरणीय श्री कमलेश पटेल जी, अध्यक्ष श्री रामचंद्र मिशन मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी, आदरणीय सुश्री ज्योत्सना बेन पटेल, सचिव श्री रामकृष्ण सेवा मंडल, डॉक्टर तेजल गांधी जी, डॉक्टर हार्दिक राणा जी, और इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित करने वाले सभी आनंद फार्मेसी कॉलेज और बाकी अन्य शिक्षा संस्थान से उपस्थित सभी मान्य अतिथिगण, इस अटल कार्यक्रम के अंतर्गत जिस तरह से आज हमने AICTE ट्रेनिंग लर्निंग एकेडमी के द्वारा हमने डिजाइन थिंकिंग प्रिंसिपल्स इन फार्मा प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट अ फ्रेश लुक टुवर्ड्स इनोवेशन विषय पर मंथन करने का हमें अवसर दिया है, इसलिए आयोजकों का इस घड़ी में अभिनंदन करता हूं। आनंद फार्मेसी कॉलेज के द्वारा ऐसे कई महत्वपूर्ण विषयों पर आने वाले समय में भी मंथन होता रहेगा, इस बात से भी मैं आश्वस्त हूं। नेतृत्व ने 1998 में आनंद फार्मेसी कॉलेज की शुरुआत हुई, जिसका AICTE और NAAC एक्रेडिटेशन के साथ उनको A रेटिंग के साथ CGPA 3.6 उन्हें मिला हुआ है। यही बताता है कि जिस तरह से विभिन्न वर्तमान बिंदुओं के ऊपर मंथन का जिस तरह से सभी फैकल्टीज को अवसर दिया गया है और कैसे गणमान्य विषयों और उसके चिंतकों को यहाँ आमंत्रित किया गया, इस समग्र प्रोग्राम की डिजाइनिंग करने के लिए आयोजन समिति का भी मैं अभिनंदन करना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि उनके सराहनीय प्रयास के द्वारा आज हम सभी को इस तरह के महत्वपूर्ण बिंदु एवं विषयों पर मंथन करने का अवसर मिला। मैंने जब प्रोग्राम का स्ट्रक्चर भी देखा तब मुझे काफी खुशी हुई और कई ऐसे विषयों पर मैं खुद भी इसमें जुड़ना चाहता था और एक आध दो विषय में मैं जुड़ा भी सही। आयोजकों का अभिनंदन करते हुए मैं यहाँ इस बात को भी दोहराना चाहूंगा कि न सिर्फ उन्होंने गणमान्य अतिथियों को यहाँ बुलाया है, पर उनके पास से उनके विषय की निपुणता के आधार पर उनको वो विषय के न्याय करने के लिए उनको निमंत्रित किया गया। डॉक्टर भाविन कोठारी हो या डॉक्टर देवजानी सिंह हो, डॉक्टर महेश टी छाबरिया प्रिंसिपल LM कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मेसी, की काफी लंबे समय से फार्मेसी के विषय में इनोवेशन, इंक्यूबेशन, स्टार्टअप को भी आगे बढ़ावा देने के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। डॉक्टर केतन पटेल ट्रॉयका फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, जिनकी एक प्रोडक्ट को मैंने आज अपने 2 प्रोडक्ट को मैंने अपने यहाँ मेरे विषय में भी न्याय और उनके पीछे की सोच को यहाँ निर्देशित करने का प्रयास किया। अनिल गुप्ता जी, मेरे मित्र रोहित स्वरूप जी को भी यहाँ मैंने सुना। कल के विषय में भी मैंने डॉक्टर मंजरी जी को भी सुना, रिपर्पजिंग ऑफ ड्रग के विषय में। लेकिन ये समग्र रूप से जो मंथन आज इस फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम में हुआ है, उस मंथन का अमृत क्या है? मंथन का अमृत है कैसे हम अपने अनुसंधान में निपुणता स्थापित करें, कैसे हम अपने अनुसंधान और नवाचार को समाज के लिए और समाज के उद्देश्य से शुरू कर सके, और कैसे हमारा अनुसंधान नवाचार स्टूडेंट स्टार्टअप या एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, उद्यमिता या स्टार्टअप्स के माध्यम से हम समाज के सन्मुख रख सके। जो भी AICTE, UGC, NAAC एक्रेडिटेशन में भी अगर बढ़िया रेटिंग लेना है तो निश्चित रूप से ही हमारे अनुसंधान की क्वालिटी में इम्प्रूवमेंट होना आवश्यक है। डिजाइन थिंकिंग अप्रोच और मॉडर्न साइंटिफिक अप्रोच के द्वारा फार्मेसी एजुकेशन में किस तरह से हम बदलाव ला सकते हैं। शायद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इस फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम के जरिए इस बदलाव की नींव आज रखी जा रही है, और इस नींव रखने में 180 से भी ज्यादा ऐसे पार्टिसिपेंट्स आज हम सब साथ मिलकर आहुति दे रहे हैं। और इस आहुति के निष्कर्ष के रूप में व्यक्तिगत संकल्प भी हम लें कि किस तरह से हम अपने अनुसंधान को लोक उपयोगी नवाचार के द्वारा समाज के लिए स्थापित करेंगे, कैसे हमारे अनुसंधान में सिस्टमेटिक डिजाइन थिंकिंग अप्रोच लागू करते हुए उसके डेवलपमेंट की टाइमलाइंस को हम छोटी कर पाए, कैसे हम अपने अनुसंधान की निपुणता को आने वाली जनरेशन को, हमारे छात्रों को, हमारे जूनियर प्राध्यापकों को हम ग्रूम करने के लिए यूज करें, उनको तैयार करें। शायद यही एक हमारी जो निपुणता है जो आने वाले समय में भी ट्रांसलेट होगी और इसके माध्यम से नए भारत का निर्माण और आत्मनिर्भर भारत के जो भी लक्ष्य हमारे सन्मुख रखे गए हैं, एटलीस्ट व्यक्तिगत रूप से हम उन लक्ष्यों को हासिल करने के लिए हम अपने योगदान के द्वारा देश के लिए, समाज के लिए, अपने शिक्षा संस्थान के लिए कुछ महत्वपूर्ण और उपयोगी योगदान कर पाएंगे। व्यक्तिगत संकल्प, इसलिए मैं इस बात को कह रहा हूं कि इस महत्वपूर्ण घड़ी पर, समारोह की घड़ी पर आप अपने आप 5 मिनट का समय निकालते हुए ये सत्र समाप्ति के बाद 5 मिनट अपना व्यक्तिगत संकल्प एक पत्र में लिखिए और नियमित रूप से हर 6 महीने में, 1 साल में उस व्यक्तिगत संकल्प को देखिए और अपना सिंहावलोकन करिए कि क्या हमने किया है। शायद ये एफडीपी प्रोग्राम के द्वारा आप महत्वपूर्ण रूप से इसका निचोड़ इस व्यक्तिगत संकल्प के द्वारा ले पाएंगे। इस बात के साथ मैं पुनः आयोजकों का, डॉक्टर तेजल गांधी जी का, डॉक्टर हार्दिक राणा जी का और अन्य सभी गणमान्य प्राध्यापकों का जिन्होंने इतना सुंदर आयोजन किया है, सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स के संवेदनाओं, भावनाओं को लक्ष्य में रखते हुए मैं भी चैट बॉक्स देख रहा था, कम से कम 25-30 लोगों ने तो उनका अभिनंदन किया है। लेकिन आप सभी की भावनाओं को मैं अपने शब्दों में बयां करते हुए उन सभी आयोजकों का अभिनंदन करते हुए अपनी वाणी को यहाँ विराम देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you for inspiring us for the change needed and how we can contribute in that. Thank you, sir, for giving a personal touch to the valedictory talk through Hindi, our national language and mother tongue of many of us. Thank you once again. Srimati Jyotsnaman Patel, Honorary Secretary of SRKSM, is a highly motivational and energetic personality. An engineer by profession, it is under her able administration and guidance that SRKSM is flaunting a number of prestigious academic institutes. We are indeed pleased to have you here, ma'am. I request you to please give the presidential remarks of today's function.
My heartfelt greetings of the day to all the guests, speakers and delegates across India. I welcome Shri Kamlesh Bhai Patel, Dr. Praveen Chaudhary, Dr. Unnat Pandit, Dr. Tejal Ben, EFDP of team of APC and all the delegates. At the outset, I congratulate Anand Pharmacy College for successful completion of this 1-week AICTE Training and Learning Academy, Atal, New Delhi, sponsored 1-week e-faculty development program on design thinking principle in pharma product development, a fresh look towards innovation. We are very thankful to AICTE for funding the event. I thank Shri Kamlesh Bhai Patel for being the part of EFDP and uplifting the delegates holistically. SRKSM shall remain indebted for your kind support and blessings. We hope to have many such associations with you in future and work together for the spiritual progress of SRKSM family as whole. I also thank Dr. Unnat Pandit and Dr. Praveen Chaudhary, who are doing great job in their area and for being one of the contributors in the success of their profession and India as well. APC and SRKSM received a matching grant of SSIP from Government of Gujarat, and we have helped many students, researchers with their prototype and innovations. We also financially supported young innovators in patent filing and funding their projects, which would lead them to startups and be entrepreneur in future. We also encourage our students to do minor research projects in UG and PG level funded by the institute. This is beyond the syllabus and students have won several awards and filed patents too. Students also participate in hackathon wherein they showcase their creations and innovations. which are solutions to common problems faced by common people and even have brought solutions for pharmaceutical industries. We hope this EFDP 2 will bring fruitful results in future and make India shine. The arrangements done on online platforms were really good, and that proves that education has actually transformed and everything is possible if there is a will to do. I can see that all the faculties from different disciplines keenly attended the sessions and they all really want to bring transition in delivering the education and change the modus operandi of engaging the students in learning phenomena. Thank you all for your active participation and enthusiasm. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving towards the end of the function, I request Dr. Hardik Rana, Coordinator of EFDP and Associate Professor in Pharmaceutics, Anand Pharmacy College, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Sarika Madam. Respected dignitaries, invited guests, and all the teachers from all over the India who are connected with us, good afternoon to one and all. I, Hardik Rana, feel privileged to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of Anand Pharmacy College. First and foremost, I would like to express my deep heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Sri Kamlesh Patel, Daji sir, for accepting our invitation as a speaker and a chief guest of the valedictory function of the event. Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable, inspirational, and very insightful address. I extend my sincere thanks to Professor Dr. Unnat Pandit sir for accepting our invitation as a guest of honor and a speaker too. Thank you, sir, for your invaluable and encouraging word that would help satisfy your motivational hunger. I extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Praveen Chaudhary, sir, for accepting our invitation as a guest of honor too. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation and sparing your valuable time. I would like to thank Sri Hemant Bhai Patel, President, Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal, for his guidance and blessing for the success of the event. I would like to thank Srimati Jyotsna Ben Patel, Honorary Secretary, Sri Ramakrishna Seva Mandal, for gracing the occasion as a president of today's event. I extend my heartfelt thanks for her continuous support, guidance, and encouragement in all our efforts. I would also like to convey thanks to AICTE Training and Learning Academy, ATAL, for providing the financial support and guidance throughout the whole event. I also thankful to all the eminent speakers for sharing their knowledge and expertise, focusing on design thinking principles in pharma product development. I also thank Dr. Tejal R. Gandhi, convener and principal professor of Anand Pharmacy College, for her minute-to-minute guidance, great support, and encouragement of the organizing EFDT. Despite of her bad health of the ma'am, she has supported strongly throughout the event to make the event successful. Thank you very much, madam. A special thanks to Dr. Vaishali Thakkar ma'am for support provided throughout the organization of whole event. I would like to acknowledge and thank to Professor Sarika Johari, Ms. Ruby Christian, Dr. Chetna Modi for coordinating flawless, inaugural, valedictory, and moderation of each session. I am really very much thankful to Mr. Kiran Parmar, Harmesh Parmar, and Diana Dabi for providing IT support. I also thank to all the members of the organizing committee, Dr. Kalpana Patel, Dr. Purvi Shah, Dr. Sarika Johari, Mr. Devang Tandel, Ms. Deepika Chavda, who have been involved in organization of whole event. I would like to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff of our college for providing support for making the event successful. I am also deeply thankful to all the delegates for active participation and positive feedback, which inspire us to organize more and more such programs in future. I hope this 1 week journey will provide wonderful opportunity to all the participants to sharpen their skill and knowledge, as well as open a new era for the research week. At the end, stay home, stay safe, be a responsible citizen, and follow the guidelines of COVID-19 issued by the government. Best wishes and thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Hardik Rana. With this, we formally conclude the session. I wish all of you to have a great week and ahead. May God bless.